Okay, this is the light that I'm gonna be installing. Um, it's an outside security light. And here it is. I've had to do some modifications to it because the way this thing is made, it's made to be on a house that's, or a side, and be 90 degrees. But mine is like this. So I had to take these two lights right here and move them over to each other side, the other side. So I've already got it, the other one taken off, the wires run down. So now all we're going to do is hook it up. Okay, like I said, I've got my wires already stripped, and I've already mounted the bracket. So just install it like the instructions say. So they come out with these little things, and you just plug right into it with your wire. But mine are too big. This is like a 12 gauge wire, and they have a fitting for the 14. If not, just cut that off and wire tie it. So I didn't want to do any of that, so I'm just gonna, what I did was I had some old wire, 14 gauge, so we're gonna make black and black. See that? And white and white. See if I can get it to where y'all can see. And this green one is your ground wire. So we'll attach that. Now we're going to get some black tape and tape that up. Alright, I do want to point out that I'm not an electrician. I'm just a homeowner that knows some basics. So don't take my word for how to do this stuff. Just do your own research. But this is how I hook them up. So let me take this off and switch it around on the other side. That way my wires ain't tangled up. It really didn't matter. Well, I like stuff not tangled up. Alright, now we can tape them up. It's cold as crap out here, so my tape probably ain't gonna stick. So that's all good. So we'll push all this up in there. Maybe. And it'll leave you nothing to work with here. And I've got my rubber, my felt on the bottom. We'll go back and silicone all this stuff. So it'd be that one. Fill up. Well, let's see if I can get this in there without dropping the dang bolt. Probably not. Probably drop the dang bolt. Make sure wires are not going to get pinched by anything. Oh no, just about lost it. I don't know if I'm in it or not. I'm in something. Yeah. There we go. So then you just turn these the way you want them and make this as down there like that. And that's all there is to it. We're going to silicone around this up here so no water gets in it. Of course, it's not going to get in anyway. It's under this. Okay. There's a little white plug. It goes in this little hole right there to plug it off. Just like that. That's it.